Hi everyone, and welcome to High Valley Couponer. I am finally here with the Kroger ad preview, and there's two things I do gotta say. I am sorry for not having it up over the weekend, but I did have some family come over this weekend on Saturday to visit, so they actually were here till about really late at night, just like visiting and stuff, so I didn't have time to do it on Saturday. Sunday, I had a lot of school to do. Actually at the end of one of my classes, so it is like really busy, had a lot of work going on, so I didn't get a chance to do it. So I do apologize for that, but there's really not, this is a very black kind of ad because it is just the 5X sale continued, which I've talked about the 5X sale already, so honestly you could go out right now and get those deals if you want to. You don't even have to wait till Wednesday. But come back on Wednesday, I will do a Kroger video like I always do. I'm sure there will be some deals you can do. And I'll find some new stuff. But I will go over this ad with you. Next week is going to be better. It's going to be a mega event. I will have the ad preview up for that on Saturday. So, yeah, it will get better. I will get back in the routine of doing it on Saturday. It was just a really busy weekend. So I do apologize for that. So, yeah, let's just dive right in. Start out with 3 for $5 strawberries. And, okay, Friday, Saturday sale. Nabisco Oreos, $1.49. We did get a 75-cent off a 2 coupon from the 127 Smart Source, so that could be a really good price. That is a really good price. Then we have the Jimmy Dean sausage, $1.99. We got some coupons for that in a couple weeks ago. Insert, I apologize, I don't remember the date. I'll give that back to you when I do my weekend sale video. So that would be a really good deal. $4.88 for a 5-pound bag of the Kroger, like little cutie things. They're called Adorbs. $6.99 a pound for some shrimp and $1.99 a pound for some fresh ground beef. Okay, so 69 cents for the Powerade or Powerade Zeros, $1.77 each when you buy 3 Fritos or Cheetos, 88 cents for Kroger eggs, and 3 for $11 for Pepsi or 7-Up. They have a ton of stuff here on these pages about the 5X digitals. I am not going to sit and read them all out because I did videos all about the participating items. That'd just be rehashing it. I will tell you if there's a coupon matchup for the things in this ad. So that's what we'll do. So but feel free to pause it and read it yourself. But I'm just going to tell you the coupon deals. So the General Mills cereal, $1.79. We got $1 off 2 coupons. It's a printable coupon. Or no, I'm sorry, it's not printable. It is just digital. There's also that $1 off 5 times coupon. So it'd make those a pretty good price. For those. There is a deal on the maple Cheerios. Thank you to Zugu Mugu for this. I would have never even thought about it. So after the 5 times digital, the maple Cheerios are $1.79. There was a $1 off 1 coupon from the 210 Smart Source. So make them 79 cents a box. If you have it in the Savings Star, that'd be a good deal. The Sargento cheese, there are coupons for that in, I believe, last week's inserts. Okay, really not much on this page at all. I mean, the Cremette 4 for $2, that's a good deal. Keep that in mind. But you just pause this if you want to read them. I actually did an in-store video of all the participating items. I'd encourage you to watch that. Click the little eye in the top right corner. The Aussie, we did get 2 off 2 coupons for that in the inserts a couple weeks ago. Not the best deal, 99 cents. I wouldn't consider that very good, but you know, if you want the Herbal Essence or Aussie, there you go. Valentine's items, not really. I don't even think any of these are on sale. It doesn't even appear to be to me, but whatever, there it is. Buy one, get one free on some Russell Stover's candy. That's not bad. I mean, I'm not trying to down Kroger because I do love Kroger and everything, but you know, it's just not a very exciting ad this week. It really isn't. Here's some more digitals. 99 cents of the apple juice is a pretty good price. This is the 5 times digitals. More 5 times digitals. I would encourage you, if you haven't seen my videos from this week, go to the description box below and watch those because it'll probably help you see other deals that aren't necessarily in this ad. It's just this, what they have like showcased here is just, in my opinion, not too great. But we did get some coupons for those Gushers in the 1.7 Smart Source, the roll-ups and Gushers. That make this $1.25, which is not bad. Okay, here's some beer and liquor deals. The free all and Snuggle, that promotion's still going. And then we have buy 2, get 1 free on Neutrogena. I know, I was hoping for buy 1, get 1 free. $5.99 for the massive things of Pantene Herbal Essence or Head and Shoulders. Don't do that. That's not good. More stuff. 2 for $12 on Viva and Cotton. Now, I mean, I'm not trying to be mean, but they usually would do that like 2 for $10 or 2 for $9. Now it's 2 for $12. No, do not do that deal. That is not good at all. We've seen those on the mega sale for way cheaper than that. 10 for $6 on Yoplait yogurts. That's okay. 4 for $10 on the Pepsi 7-Up bottles. That's not horrible. They're doing a 10 for $10 sale, the ad says, so maybe we'll find some good stuff with that. I'll have to look around Kroger and see, but they are going to start a new 10 for $10 sale, so that could actually be pretty decent depending on what's included. Oh, and here are some more 10 for $10 items right here, so nice. 99 cents for chicken leg quarters. That is not a bad deal at all. And I know I always get a ton of questions. Oh, I didn't notice that. The silk yogurt is $1.25. We have a 75-cent Ibotta. So that would be 50 cents. So that could be good if you're working towards a bonus or something. I know I'll get this question a ton, because I always do. Even if you watch the video, I still get the question. There is no free Friday download this week. Something's up with Kroger. I honestly believe that they're probably phasing this out, but I don't know. We're not getting a free Friday download this week. I don't know. We have only really got one 2 times out of this year, so it's a little odd, but I don't know what Kroger's doing. I'm not a part of Kroger corporate or whatever, so maybe they'll have a free Friday next week, but we're not. We're not getting free Fridays this week, so, you know, hopefully that makes sense. I'm sad about it, but we're not getting any this week, so... yeah, that's all I have for now. I really, really hope you enjoyed this video, and come back on Wednesday. There will be more Kroger updates or whatever. I'll probably find some more deals to talk about Wednesday. So, yeah, thank you so much for watching.